Hello, Mike here from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Today, talk about how to earn money in 2019. Before we start, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button below please, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. There is no magic pill to success if you want to earn money in 2019. Success is not luck. You have to make success yourself. As I say, truth is you make your own success because nobody else would do it for you. You have to work hard and stop making excuses. You need to get off the fence and start right away, because if you don't, you will never make a success in making money online. And if you wish to do it this year in 2019, as I say, you need to start absolutely right now. You have to invest in yourself and send a powerful message to yourself to invest in yourself and get off the fence and start straight away, because nobody else would do it for you. It's your time now. You must do it now. Don't let life pass you, and you will regret it. Can you inspire yourself? Of course you can, and you must. If you're asking, how do I start? Well, you have to learn. Will you make mistakes? Yes, you will. So be prepared to make mistakes. So just think, if you start earning money online, you could pay your mortgage off, or if you're renting a house, you could buy yourself a new house. If you want a new car, you could buy yourself a new car. The sky is the limit. So you have to get out there and inspire yourself. Will it happen overnight? No, it won't. I'm afraid the answer, as I say, it will not. You've got to put a lot of hard work in if you wish to become successful. You need to learn and learn and learn how to do it. You have to follow a proven strategy, not do it on which way you wish to do it. As I say, you have to follow a proven strategy. If you don't do that, then you are sure to fail. And you need to keep going and going and going. It's not going to happen in a week. It's not going to happen in a month. It's going to take you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 12 months before you really get started on making money online. Now then, you've got to think of your first $100 before you start, but not thinking about thousands and thousands of dollars. You've got to think small and then work up and work up and work up until you get to big money. But as I say, you've got to start small and be progressive in the way that you actually make money online. Now, the best way to start is to be an affiliate influencer. Yes, you can do your own product, but then if you don't know how to start, then you need somebody to actually help you. This is where I can actually help you in regards of, I have a coach which helps me, and you can have a coach also if you wish, because you need to learn how to do or how to earn money online. As you will see, I've got a free ebook down below which will give you the basic knowledge for earning money online, but also below that you will see another course below, which is 15 Steps to Success, where in this course you've got 15 videos within this course to follow. Through this course you would get a coach which will tell you what to do. You can ask him or her questions. He will ask you questions to see how you are getting on, and it's the only way you're going to learn, because if you try, as I said before, if you don't follow a proven strategy, you try to do it your own way, you are sure to fail. Have I tried to do it my own way? Well, I'll be quite honest, yes I have. And what's happened? Not made a single dime, or as in my case, a pound, because I come from the UK, but most things are actually put out there in dollars. But as I say, I've been there, done it, got the medal, and I've not been successful. But since I've joined this course, which I'm on, which I thoroughly recommend for you to join, I am now starting to be successful. But am I a small minnow at the moment? Yes, I am. But I'm looking forward to in 2 to 3 years before I really start to make good top money. As I say, you need to think about your first $100, then your first $500, then your first $1,000. You cannot, as I say, you will not do it overnight. Yes, there are a few people who will do it. There are a few lucky ones, but they are very few and in between. So as I said at the beginning of this video, there is no magic pill to success. Success is what you make of it, not what somebody else makes of it. You have got to get out there and start to earn money online. It's no point sitting there thinking, oh, what do I do? I don't know what to do. As I'm trying to tell you now, if you wish to know how to do it, then you need to get somebody to teach you, and this is where a mentor or a coach, whichever word you like to use, will help you and show you exactly the right course to take. As I said, nobody else would do it for you. You've got to inspire yourself to be able to earn money online. Now, as I said below, there's a free ebook down there below which will help you on your basic knowledge to start earning money online. But I say the course down below that, which is 15 Steps to Success. This is a course I thoroughly recommend, and I know there's lots and lots of other people who actually on this course, should I say, and are being inspired to be able to make money online. And this is what you need to do with yourself. You've got to inspire yourself. As I say, nobody else would do it for you. You've got to get out there and do it. So get off the fence and invest in yourself. Send a powerful message to yourself up here telling you what you need to do. Because as I say, and I keep repeating, you will not get anywhere if you don't do anything now. So motivate yourself, energize yourself, get out there, do it, and do it now. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, please. Leave a comment down below. And this is Mike signing off on your Successful Affiliate Influencer.